we need to find the dot product where the magnitude of A is 80, magnitude of B is 50, and we have the angle between A and B. So as a solution, we will use the law of cosine. So what's the law of cosine? It is A dot B should equal magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and cosine theta. Now magnitude of A, we know it is 80. Magnitude of B is 50. And finally, we need to do the cosine of 3 pi over 4. This one will be 4,000 divided square root. That would be the answer for this question. Now, we will go to the next question where we will be given A and B. So we're given the component of A and the component of B. Look at this question. We need now not to find the dot product. We need to find the angle. So how we will do the angle? We will find the cosine. After we find the cosine, we will use the cosine inverse. So here is the solution. Again, we will use the law of cosine. Now, if you remember, the law of cosine says that the cosine theta equal, in the numerator we write A dot B, and in the numerator we write the magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Let's find these out. Now, what is the A dot B? It means we multiply first by first. So I multiply number 1 with number 0, plus second, which is negative 4, by the other second in red, which is 2, plus third with third, which means 1 and negative 2. We write this in the numerator in the top. That's what we write. Now, in the denominator, we write magnitude of A. So we make a square root of everything in A squared, and we add them, times another square root for everything in B, and we add them. Now what do we have in A? We have 1, negative 4, 1. What do we have in B? In B we have 0, 2, negative 2. Now we just, if you have calculator, you can directly and easily find all the answer here. If we don't have a calculator, this will be negative 8, negative 10 in the top. And in the bottom, we will have 1 square root of 18. And this will be square root of 8. And that's the cosine of theta. So the final step is to take cosine inverse for both sides. Why I need to take cosine inverse for both sides? Because remember, my goal is only to find the angle, which is theta. So the final answer would be cosine inverse negative 10 over square root of 18, square root of 8. I think this will be, if we do it with the calculator, something like this. 146.4. And that's how we find the angle between two vectors that we have up here.